Hello, welcome to the Lake District. We've made it and I can't believe how gorgeous it is. Literally every turn in the road is another really lovely view.
Absolutely, we're at Grasmere today, so I hope that's how you say it anyway,
yes,
don't you think?
We've got no excuse there, we're in Britain and we should know how to say
I know,
this
could be Grasmere, could be Grasmere, we're not sure.
Yeah, we're going for Grasmere, I think. Yeah. And this is where the famous, what is it? Gingerbread?
Yes.
Gingerbread. So we're going to go and try that.
We are, certainly. Yeah, we'll go and have an explore of that shop and buy all of it.
Lots of quaint little streets, and we're going to have a look. We're having to mask up quite a lot because it is moderately busy. So come and have a look.
And it is Sunday, isn't it? So.
Grasmere is a charming and beautiful village to explore, with some quaint shops and restaurants, surrounded by the stunning countryside of the Lake District.
Named after the nearby lake, it has links with the poet William Wordsworth, who lived in Grasmere for 14 years and called it the loveliest spot that man hath ever found.
Grasmere gingerbread was invented in 1853 by Victorian creator/cook Sarah Nelson. She used to make and bake her concoction inside her church cottage home, selling it to villagers and tourists from a tabletop outside her front door. The very same door we are all queuing at today.
Hello. So what are you going to get done?
Right. Could we go for 2 of the 12 pieces, please?
Yeah.
And 1 of the 6.
Yeah.
That's him.
We found a garden dedicated to William Wordsworth in which to sample our gingerbread. I can only assume it's full of daffodils in spring.
Okay, you're going to give it a go then, Faye?
So we've got the gingerbread.
Oh.
Long queue, wasn't it?
Oh, that was ridiculous.
About 20 minutes.
I know.
Like
I think it was a bit more than that, actually.
It's good.
It better be really good.
It wasn't cheap either. How much was a large pack?
It was £7.95 for that. Wow, 12 pieces you get for...
A fair amount, but
yeah.
You know,
let's have a look.
You'd expect to pay about £3–4 at most.
Exactly.
So they've got quite a markup there. So it's meant to go back to, I don't know when it looked like a Victorian lady on the sign. I'd have to read it up, but way back. But she's been making this and getting tourists buying it. So here it is. Meant to be a mixture between a cake and a biscuit. I suspect it's a recipe that went wrong. And then she went, I know. But this smells ever so gingery. It does smell good, I have to taste. Oh, it's quite hard. It's got a real bite to it.
So it's not really a ginger cake, it's more of a ginger...
I would say it's a biscuit.
A ginger biscuit.
Well, in all honesty,
I hope you like it.
Enough.
Hmm?
It's pleasant enough. I don't think you'd actually bother to queue up again.
Perhaps that's what they're counting on. You queue up and you think, wow, this must be amazing.
Yeah, I mean, my main comment would be, was it made from rationing? Is that bad?
Oh, really?
It's really not great.
Oh.
Let's go and queue up for a refund. Shouldn't say that. Right, your turn.
Okay, well, I'm going to give it a go now. So
hopefully you're having the pre-nibbled one.
Yeah, after your scathing review.
I know, I feel a bit bad. There was a slight aftertaste that actually kicked in and was quite nice.
Oh, was it? Oh, okay.
So I feel a bit bad now.
Okay.
Just that initial surprise, you're not expecting it to be quite such a bite. See what I mean?
It's nice.
Yeah, pleasant enough. But then it does have a kick, and you think, oh, actually, maybe it's like some sort of drug kicking in that makes you think, must go and buy more.
It's amazing, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to go and buy some more.
Yeah, it's worked.
Definitely.
Wordsworth used to teach at the local school and is famous for his Daffodils poem. He lived in Dove Cottage with his sister Dorothy and wrote many of his famous poems there. It is possible to visit and costs £12 per adult.
Unfortunately, we are still avoiding indoor attractions due to COVID. We are exploring the stunning Lake District in this series, with lots of beautiful vlogs to come. If you were to imagine the best of British countryside, this is surely it. With treats for all the senses. Be sure to subscribe and join us.